Hey, this is Matt Browm here at NAMM Show 2019 for EVH Gear. A little bit of history on the brand. Ed Van Halen has been a spearhead leader since the 70s, obviously, with Van Halen, but he made a name for himself being a very innovative guitar player, and he's played many brands over the years, and in around the 2000s, he came to Fender Musical Instruments and wanted to do a partnership with the EVH branded name, which is his initials, Eddie Van Halen, and started with an amplifier, which is a 100-watt amplifier, and that came out in about 2007, and it was a beast of an amp. It took a couple years to develop, and 3 channels, 100 watts, Schumacher transformers, Noble pots, all the best of the best. The foot switch, every button has the same button that you hit on a stoplight to cross the street. These things are bulletproof, will last years and years and years and years. The tubes are JJ. These amps have supported tours across the world. They've supported every studio across the world, and can do anything from very clean to a rock sound to ultra lead, which is what Ed Van Halen likes. He likes to push the sound barrier of amplifiers. That was the first amplifier built, and then we've built an amp line on that, which is we have a 50-watt amplifier, which is 3 channels in a smaller cabinet. We have 6L6 tubes. We have EL34 tubes with different cosmetics, black and gold. We have combos with 2x12-inch speakers that have reverb, that are adorned by Nashville players, people on the go, people in church. We have 1x12 series combos. And then we have lunchbox series amplifiers too, which are 15 pounds, throw it in a bag. A lot of players that do fly gigs like to use those. They can take them to a country that doesn't have the backline that they're used to, and they can use any cabinet, and they at least know that they're getting the sound that they love and the sound that Eddie Van Halen wants everybody to love as well. As far as guitars wise, 2010 we came up with the Wolfgang USA out of Corona, California. These are still built in Corona, California, and we have signature series models that are guitars that exactly what he plays, with kill switches, direct mount Wolfgang pickups, basswood bodies, solid half-inch maple caps, EVH bridges, 42-inch millimeters. These guitars are different than anything out there that's in the musical instrument world, this is culminating 40 years plus of him tinkering with the instrument and making it how he wanted it to be and how he feels other guitar players will want it to be as well. We also have a line that we build in Asia, which is the Wolfgang Standards, and these guitars feature basswood bodies, veneer tops on the transparent finishes. They also have direct mount Wolfgang pickups like the USA versions. All of the necks feature thumb wheel butt adjust, which is easy truss rod adjustment to adjust on the fly, lefty loosey, righty tighty when your neck goes bowed with weather conditions. We have a new series this year, which is a sub off the Standard, which is a exotic series. So you get exotic tops like poplar burl, ziricote, baked maple necks and fingerboards. And then right across the border, where we're building all of our Fender Standards in our Fender facility and our bases, we do the Wolfgang Specials, which are arch-topped basswood bodies, single-ply cream or black binding, direct mount Wolfgang pickups, ebony fingerboards, maple fingerboards, and so forth. Then we do the Tribute Stripe series, which is all the iconic models that Ed would have played and or is a tribute to what he would have played with striped models. Black and white stripes with red over it is one of the most popular that Eddie Van Halen is known for. Black and yellow, which was used in 1979 on the Van Halen 2 albums. And then the Wolfgang bodies, we've done the same paint schemes that we have on the Strats. And last but not least, we have a new model this year, which is the Shark, which was unveiled to the public that didn't follow him on the Women and Children First in 1980 album. But this guitar was the basis of a lot of the sound that Van Halen based on. Anything you heard without a tremolo arm or dive bomb was this guitar. And this was his rhythm guitar. It's an all ash body with a maple neck, a paw ferro fingerboard, brass nut, brass harmonica bridge. This is a tribute but tip of the hat model as well, because we didn't do it exact like his. We souped it up. It has a 12 to 16 compound radius. We have Godot tuners, direct mount Wolfgang pickups with a mesh 2-conductor wire to make it look vintage. Harmonica bridge is solid brass. We have a low friction, high friction pot with a treble bleed and original paint scheme. And we had the original guitar to reference from. So we matched the color on the bass, matched the color on the top. And we are really proud of this guitar. And I think the fans will be very, very, very happy to see that we come to market with it. It's the hardest guitar that we build. So that is, in a nutshell, at a glance, of EVH Gear 2019 NAMM.